welcome to Create for Kids. Today we are going to learn how to paint a Christmas gnome. Let's get started! Yippee! Bum, bum, bum. For this lesson you're going to need watercolor paper, and I like to tape it down so it won't move. I like to have it thick paper so it doesn't warp. Acrylic paints, the colors yellow, red, white, black, and blue. Paper towels, water, and a variety of paintbrushes.
Sharpie, glue, pom-poms, and pastels. This is going to make me easier for me.
The first step is that we're going to use our big fat brush, and we're going to mix the blue and the white together to make light blue, and then we're going to put it on our paper to make a background. If you mix the light blue with yellow, it's going to make that color. I'm just going crazy with a bunch of blue colors. You don't have to have a solid background, but fill in all of your paper. If you add a little bit of water to your brush, it'll spread easier.
Put the paintbrush in the water before it dries, because it'll be ruined. You have to let the background dry.
I'm going to use my brown brush to make a circle in the center of my page.
I'm using my pastel or crayon. There's a nose.
You can make your nose any color, brown or tan, or red, or pink, or green. I mixed white with some red and some yellow to get this color. Right. You're done with your nose. We're gonna make the hat. You can add eyes if you want to add eyes, but I don't want to add eyes, and we're gonna draw the outline shape of a hat. I'm gonna do this curved line that's gonna go right over the top, but touching the nose, and it's gonna be curved like this with black paint. Now I'm going to make the shape of my hat with the black color. You can do whatever shape you want. You can do a pokey hat, curved hat, a squiggly hat, crazy hat, whatever you like. This is Create for Kids. We gotta be creative.
If you don't have a pom-pom, you can just draw it. Dun 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 dun.
Now once you're done with outlining the hat, you're gonna paint it in with whatever color you want. Yippee! I'm using the flat brush. I'm using the flat brush because it's easier to fill in the space, but it's not huge, so I can go right here in lines. So you can go right up to the line with it. I'm making the hat that I'm wearing. You can do stripes, dots, swirlies, or whatever you want on your hat to make it look really nice and pretty. I'm using stripes.
I'm gonna glue a pom-pom. Like, come on, and glue it on the tippity top of the hat.
Now I'm gonna paint a pom-pom on mine. You need to use a round brush or else it won't work that well because pom-poms are round. If you're doing really cool designs on your hat, wait till it dries because then it'll be a lot easier. We're gonna paint the beard now. You're gonna wanna make a gray. To make gray, you're going to use white and black paint and mix it together. Why we're making our gray is so that the white on the beard will stand out. Yippee! You can make your beard whatever shape you want.
That's beard.
Oh, nice.
Mine has a very big bushy beard. I put some shadow right here so it didn't look like the mustache was coming out of its nose.
Yeah, making it lighter.
I love your snowflakes. Look at those. What are these right here?
The gray part. I'm gonna make it much lighter. Part.
Now that I have my gray done, I'm going to put some white on so it looks like an actual beard. I'm doing brush strokes that's going the direction of the hair. See how it pops? You can see the beard now because the white is on top of the gray. Yeah. It has salt and pepper hair. Once you're done with the beard, we're gonna paint the feet. How you make the feet is that you make a flat line and then a half circle on top. And we're gonna make sure that that right there is in between it, which is between the 2 feet, which is good because we need it to be like that. Or else, dun, 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 I won't tell you. I put legs on mine. Or Santa won't come. You can put in snow, but you don't have to. Mine already has snow because I didn't paint the bottom of it right here where the tape was. See, look, he's standing on snow. Up here is where the giant layer of snow that he doesn't even notice is going to come crashing onto him.
Snow!
I'm adding zigzags to mine.
I'm putting pom-poms on snowflakes. I'm gonna have to glue them on.
I just painted mine on. I just did this. Dot, 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 dot. With my round brush. If you want it to look like that, you can use the bottom of your brush. Once you're done with your work, you're gonna clean it up. This goes in the garbage, the garbage, the garbage. This goes in the garbage. Do-dee-doo-da-day.
Can you see my name on there?
I signed my work. Done. Thank you guys for creating with us. We hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe and hit a big thumbs up and go to createfulkids.com for more videos. Bye! Bye! It's me when I'm older. I got fat and short. Lots of hair.